Well, I just stepped out here and there was a buck right there. Uh, Startled me. I guess he was maybe around a 6, 8 pointer, went that way. But the reason I'm out here is since the screen porch was ripped open, I fixed it there. I'm going to do a couple of wood knocks, and then I'm going to leave him some chocolate chip muffins and see if I get a response. So, as you can see out there, the pond is beginning to freeze over. It's cold, man. It really is. Winter has come. All we need now is the snow. So, I'm just going to run down here, go to that favorite tree. There's the mess still in the back, but it's gotten tarped up. Oh, man. Okay. It's the aluminum bat, but let's see here. I know they're going to hear that. Definitely going to hear that. I know the buck heard that. He's off to the next property. And so, I may not even show this. If nothing happens, nothing happens. But I just figured I'm going to do this. Go down to the dinner table over here. And here we go. I'll tell you one thing. If that buck was around, Bigfoot still lives around here. There's definitely a protein. There are hunters on the property, so maybe they heard the knock also. I guarantee they did. Yeah. A lot of wood cutting. A lot. Should be doing this in the daylight for you here, but the way things are, there's taped up with the tarp, and I did it on the inside also. A lot of firewood. But I can't get up here if it's a lot of snow. It's the only downfall of it. But anyways, I'll keep you informed what happens. Alright, so thanks for watching, and hopefully I have some good news for you.